It's called Model Selector. So now agent can dynamically select model based on the user request. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can build an AI agent which will have the ability to select model based on the user request using the Model Selector tool. First thing what we do when you build an AI agent is we select our trigger. We will use chat trigger because we'll be talking to our agent. Then from then we will select AI agent. We'll leave as it is. We'll come back to it a bit later. We have some options, the chat model, memory, and tools. We'll be mainly focusing on this chat model today. Chat model is kind of the brain of your AI agent. It helps plan and execute things for AI agent. So click that, then you'll see the model selector. Let's select the model selector. You can see that's what pops up here. Under the model selector, there are some options here. So you can select up to 10 different models. So that means you can hook up 10 different models and AI agent can pick one of these models based on the user request and type of model it needs to solve that request. In order to choose the model, you need to have some rules. So the agent needs to know and make sure that if it is fall under the rules, then you pick this model. If it is following different rules, pick that model. So the next we need to add some rules because the rules will allow to agent to figure out which model it needs to choose. For our practical purpose, let's choose 3 models and we need to have 3 rules. Model number 1, model number 2, and model number 3. There needs to be a value coming out dynamically, which needs to match with pre-existing value, and then they will select that model. Let me build that will make more sense. So in order to do that, first select the model. OpenAI, so OpenAI for Mini, then the second one probably use Anthropic. Sonnet. Then the last one is probably select DeepSeek. Okay. Now, in order to get that working, we need to have something in between. We'll do a basic LLM chain. Add a system prompt. This is the system prompt. You are an assistant responsible for choosing the best AI model for each user request. The following logic: if the request is a reasoning problem, output 3. If the request is a writing request, output 2. For all other requests, output 1. Only output the number, nothing else. So where 1 equal to GPT 4.1, 2 equal to Claude 3.5 Sonnet, and 3 equal to DeepSeek. Connected. We need to select a model for this. Use 401 mini. So what's happening now is that the user send a request. It goes in here, it analyzes the request, and it decides which model it should use to respond to that query. From that request will pass through to this AI agent, which will be, let's change it to models agent. So which will pass through to this AI agent, and from that it will select the model and respond to the user query. We need to do something else in here because we're not connected to a chat trigger, so we need to define. Let's give it a test. Let's see what it outputted. It's only outputted number 1. So what is number 1? Let me have a look. So number 1 is GPT 4.1. So it's only outputted number 1. That's what we wanted. We'll connect to this model. Model 2 should be defined below. Still want to know the user question, and from that system message you just have helpful AI assistant. That's enough. Then the model selector, that's all we need to select. So if the text value is 1, select the model 1, which is your OpenAI model. If the text value is equal to 2, use Anthropic model, and it's this value equal to 3, then select DeepSeek. I think we're all set. So let's ask a question. It's analyzing the user question. It went through and decided that it needed a DeepSeek to respond to it. So then it selected the DeepSeek, and DeepSeek is now currently working to get the response. Let's look at the log. The question comes to the basic LLM. It outputted 3 because it figured out that it's a complex reasoning question, so it needed DeepSeek. So then it fed number 3 into the model selector agent, and it select DeepSeek and responded to the user query. Let's try one more example, which would be write me a LinkedIn post about AI agent in so again, it's the basic LLM is analyzing the query. Yeah, it selected number 2, which is Anthropic, and now it's actually coming up with a LinkedIn post. There you go. It provided a LinkedIn post. So there you have it. Now you have an AI agent which can dynamically select a model based on the user query. If you want to try and play with this, you'll be able to download the template from the description for free using the link below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe for more no-code automation tutorial. Until then, see you.